Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. It is wired for 460 volt 3-phase. This unit can be hooked up and run by a PLC or run in manual mode, which is how we have it right now. Take a look here, manual and auto there. And the name tag here. Unit weighs roughly 1,100 pounds. And away we go. Take a look at the O-scope wave over here as well. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.